72, Mchibi 0, Mlerwa 3, Msitwa 0, whose results? Engena 0. Not directly to that extent. Kazoa Angola, Holy Family Primary School, N to NAM. Engena 0, Kasacha 1, Luemba 2, Limbazi 72, Mchivi 0, Mrerwa 3, Msitwa 0, Mtazindwa 0, Nambi 42, Sereko 0. Holy Family NAN R. Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Luemba 0, Luemba is 1, Luimbazi 57, Mchivi 0, Mrerwa 2, Msitwa 0, Mtazindwa 0, Nambi 21, Nsereko 0. Holy Family Primary School, N to NAM. Engena 0, Kasacha 1, Luemba 2, Limbazi 72, Mchivi 0, Murerwa 3, Msitwa 0, Mtazindwa 0, Nambi 42, Sereko 0. The same. Is there a variation? It's a copy of the same. But it cannot be captured in our system twice. Awempe tu Namwaru Mkoyoyo's form A to J. Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Luemba 1, Luimbazi 45, Mchivi 0, Mrerwa 5, Msitwa 0, Mtazindwa 0, Nambi 16, Sereko 0. Namwandu Mkoyoyo's form K to K. Engena 0, Namwandu Mkoyoyo's form K to K. Engena 0. Kasacha 0, Luemba 1, Luimbazi 110, Echili 2, Murerwa 5, Musitwa 0, Mutazindwa 1, Nambi 16, Sereko 1.